Okay, now you see my screen. Okay, so for using inventory function, we need to decide which item do you want to keep, do you want to set it as the inventory item. Okay, let's say for the training I create two menu category. One is donut and one is combo set. For donut, okay, I set up three donut items just for example. Donut A, donut B, donut C. Okay, for donut A, B, C, in the setting, what I set is every other is same like other menu item. So for the stock, for the inventory, you need to trace their inventory level stock, right? So we enable the stock, right? So we don't have any store link item, so we don't use, we just only enable store item. That's all. This is for the donut ABC. So when we sort out one donut A, it will show you one donut A in inventory. Okay, so this is for donut A. But sometimes for this inventory item, you want to sell from the combo set, combo item, right? So I set up new menu category. The name is combo set. Okay, let's say set A. For the set A, you see, I will count the stock. So for the set A, I mean when we sort out one combo set A, so it will minus donut A. You see, it will reduce one donut A. So ratio is their connection. When they say set A, they will reduce one donut A. So ratio is their communication in 1-to-1. Yeah, this is the setting. So for the combo item, I set it as a combo item. For this combo item, I allow to choose one donut and one drink. So one donut I already linked here, so I allow one more count, one more combo item. Okay, so this is how I set it in this setting. After I set it in the say item, what I have to do is I need to go to inventory. I need to go to inventory. Right now inventory, there is inventory job, history data, warehouse, the inventory item export. Okay, so for the inventory job, for the time being right now I have I have three outlets. I want to show you three outlets. One is outlet 1. Outlet 1 currently I am using outlet 1. Outlet 2 and AQ. So what I am going to present is I will, so from the AQ they will do production. They are stocking balance, right? After the AQ they have the inventory. From the AQ they will transfer some stock item to outlet 1. Then outlet 1 will do the transition. Then we can trace what are their inventory. Okay, so now inventory, let's see. Okay, so I will go which store for the AQ. I will I will I will key in their opening balance, opening stock. Okay, so I will use inventory. Then I will use template. So if you cannot use template, it's okay. You can add which item you want to key in. So from the category, okay, I will add donut, donut, donut. So which item? Donut A, donut B, or donut C. So how many quantity you want to key in as a inventory? Okay, I will use 10, 10, 10. This is this is I click add manually, because maybe you may have a lot of menu items. So you don't want to key in one by one every time. In that case, you can use apply template. You see, apply template became I don't need to add one by one. So how you can create template? So from the edit template, you go in edit template. Then for which store you can create your template here. After you create template one time, later on you don't need to add one by one. You just simply click apply template. It will begin automatically. Okay, so I will use 10 10 10 for donor A, donor B, donor C. Then I will commit. Okay, so now I already key in the opening stock balance in the AQ. We can check it here. For the AQ query, you see now I have current stock 10 10 10. This is in the AQ, not an outlet. You see, when I choose outlet 1, currently outlet 1 have no stock. Okay, one more step. What we have to do is from the AQ, I need to transfer same stock from AQ to outlet 1. So what we have to do is we go back to inventory. From the store, I will choose AQ. What we want to do transaction, we will do transfer stock. So we will use transfer stock. Then to which store do you want to transfer from AQ to outlet 1? Okay, then you see this time also I will use apply template. Now current stock is 10 10 10. Okay, I will transfer 5 each. From the AQ, I will transfer 5 donor each to the outlet 1. Then I will transfer it. Okay. Now I already transfer. But after you transfer from the AQ, you cannot see directly in the outlet 1. Because when you transfer from the AQ, from the outlet 1, they need to confirm they are receiving stock. So we have another mobile application. This is mobile inventory application. We have it. So yeah, this mobile inventory we have, we can use browser based, or we have the Android APK. You can use Android APK. Later on I can share you the Android APK. Okay, so just now I already transferred from AQ to outlet 1. So I need to log into the outlet 1. I can see I can do the receiving. Okay, I do receiving. Oh, I see 3 items receiving. I can check it here. Okay, 3 items I'm receiving for 555. Okay, let's say this time I will receive all the stock from the AQ. So what we have to do is from here, I click, then I check all. I receive everything 555. Then I can commit. Yes, submitted. So now I already received stock transfer from AQ. So I can check it here. Query. Now this time you see outlet 1, I have 1 donor A5, donor B5, donor C5. I got it. Okay, so this time the outlet 1, they have already stock. They can start selling. They can do say transaction. So I will do say transaction from the local PC. Okay, so I ran W desktop. Okay, now I will do one transaction for donor, 1 donor A, 1 donor B, 1 donor C. Okay, then I paid it. So we can check in the inventory. Currently they have 5, right? So I will query again. You see, their current stock became 444 each because I sold out 111 for donor A, donor B, donor C. Okay, you see the page, brother? You see? Okay, so this is what we do. Inventory from the AQ, we transfer the stock, then we use receiving from the inventory application, we use receiving. After that we can do say transaction. Okay, sometimes you don't need AQ to use the stock transfer. Maybe you can use directly stocking from their mobile application. Okay, let's say I was stocking from here. I will use add. You see, donor A, B, C, their current stock is 444. Okay, I will stock in again 10, 10, 10, for example. Then I will submit it. Yes, submit it. Okay, so stocking completed. So I can check in the stock status also. I query again. My current stock became 14, 14, 14. Okay. So I want to show you one more transaction from that store. This is the combo set. Just now I show you when we say combo set A. So set A, I say okay, let's say I say set A is one more drink free, right? One more drink free. So when I close this transaction, so although I sold out set A, it will minus donor A. You see, right now currently donor is 14, right? Okay, so I will do close this transaction, set A, pay cash. After I close this check, you check here, I will query again. It became 13. So this time we sold out only the combo item, but combo item is, I want to show you again, we link to the item A. You see, set A, I link to donor A. That's why when we sold out the item set A, it will minus the donor A. Okay, so this is okay. We finish stocking, stock transfer, and inventory. So one more thing we can do is in the inventory, we can check. Okay, so let's say you have outlet 1, right? So from the outlet 1 you can transfer to outlet 2 also, because let's say tonight outlet 1 you have a lot of donut, you cannot sort out for today, so you can transfer your extra donut to the outlet 2. Okay, let's say this time I will transfer from outlet 1, I want to transfer to outlet 2. Then we can apply template. You see, right now outlet 1 I have 13, 14, 14. So I will transfer all the extra item 3, okay, 4, 4. I will transfer it. Transfer. Okay, after you transfer, you see in the stock state, what we have to do is, after you transfer, you need to do stock receiving, otherwise you cannot see your transfer item. You see, outlet 2 is only 0 because I need one more step. I need to do receiving from the outlet 2. Okay, stocking, I go back to back store. Okay, this time I want to show by using my mobile phone. Okay, so I will link my smartphone. Okay, please wait. I will connect my AnyDesk. Okay, my AnyDesk number is 942459821. Now I will connect to my phone. Later on, I can share you. I can share you the inventory APK. Yeah, this is my phone, right? So from here, we have the, inventory. I will click inventory. But I need to sign in my username password. Okay. I will use my testing one. Then next. Then password. Okay, I will key in password. Okay. You see? So now what I have to do is I have to do receiving from the outlet 2, right? So I click outlet 2. When I check in the receiving, oh, you see, I'm receiving 3 items. So I want to know which item I'm receiving. I click here. Please wait. Oh, was something wrong? Okay, we can do receiving from. Oh no, this is it show you can receive the, from outlet 1 to the receiving from outlet 1. It show you from outlet 1. Okay, I cannot continue because of the connection. Let me try back to store. So for the outlet 2 receiving. Okay, so let me go back to browser page again. Outlet 2, I doing receiving from outlet 1. Okay, so I will receive all, then I will submit. So receiving complete. After you receiving complete, you can check in the in browser. You see, I will query again. Outlet 2 will receive 344. Their current stock became 344. This is what we do. Okay, so from outlet 2 now they can do the transition again. But the most important thing I want to show you again is the wastage. From the inventory we have the wastage. What wastage doing? Okay, let's say for example for donut, all the donut they have the expiry date. So after production, maybe the donut can use only for 24 hour. After 24 hour, we have to throw away, right? For wastage, because of expire. At that time, we can key in the wastage. Okay, now apply template. So the wastage, we can use both way. Sometimes, okay, maybe some of the donut damaged because of the human error. Okay, so any damage or any expiry date, any waste donut, we can key in here. Okay, let's say I have wasted 555. Then I can commit. So from the stored data, it became only 5 after wastage. 555. So the wastage also you can check here from the home, from the outlet 1. Sorry, back to store. Outlet 1. You can key in wastage here, or you can check wastage. Okay, so so I think these are very useful. Let me check why I cannot use. Okay, I will go back to home. So later on I can share you this one, because right currently I cannot show you receiving transaction. Okay, so I want to transfer from AQ. Let me show you transfer from here. So I will transfer it. Okay, I will use add. You see, I have right now from the AQ I have 555. Okay, I will transfer everything. Okay, so I will key in. Oh, sorry. Add. Okay, this is 5. This is 5. This is 5. I will transfer. Okay, after that I need to submit. Yes, now I already transfer from AQ. So we can check in outlet 1 what we are receiving. You see, I'm receiving 3 from AQ. You see, I can receive everything, so I can check it here. Let's say I check all, but you know, I receive every other. Okay, but for the donor C, one donor is damaged, right? I receive only uh, only 4. One is damaged. Then I can submit. Yes. Okay, so we can check those data from the browser. Query. You know, from the stores data we can query all the outlet together. So this is outlet 2, outlet 1, and the AQ. We can check everything. Okay, let's say sometimes you know your store item is too many, your menu item, so that you don't need to do one by one for the future maintenance. You can use inventory item export. Okay, I will use export. I show you. So they were export as a CSV format. Then you can key in all your export data. Then you can upload into the cloud. You see, these are all your store items, right? So you just simply key in the quantity. After you edit this quantity, you can upload. Okay, let's say for the inventory job. Okay, for AQ, or you want to stock inventory, you load. You see, from the browser page, you can find your CSV file, then you can load it. Okay, so this is how we export your inventory item. Then you edit your Excel sheet, then you can upload into the warehouse store ID. Okay, I think this all what we can do in the inventory. But by by watching only the video clip, you cannot understand. You do transaction, you do testing, then you will understand more detail. Okay, so yeah, these are two function, inventory and stock data. Just now I got the information from Johnny. They already upgrade your enterprise cloud with the inventory function. You can check it now. Okay, I will stop the recording.